Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fill out 1099 NEC in TurboTax. If you're self-employed or received payment as an independent contractor, this form is essential for reporting that income on your tax return. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your TurboTax app. To do this, open a browser and head to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials associated with your tax filings, as this ensures all your information stays organized in one place. Once your account has loaded, you'll be ready to navigate to the 1099 NEC section. Look at your left navigation menu and click on the Federal drop-down. This will expand to show you several options for different sections of your tax return. From these options, hover your cursor over Income. You'll see several menu choices appear, and what we're looking for is the 1099 NEC option, which is listed under Self-Employment Income. Click on it to proceed. Now from here, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll see a series of fields that you need to fill in about your self-employment. This includes details like your job position, the field you work in, and your work classification. TurboTax is designed to guide you through each step, so don't worry if you're unsure about certain terms or categories. The system will provide helpful prompts and explanations along the way. Simply click the Continue button after completing each section and fill in the required fields as they appear. As you move through the form, TurboTax will ask you for specific information from your 1099 NEC, such as the payer's name, their employer identification number, and the amount you were paid. Make sure you have your physical or digital copy of the 1099 NEC handy so you can reference it as you fill out these details. Accuracy here is crucial, as any discrepancies could cause issues with your tax filing. Continue clicking through and filling in the requested information until you reach the end of the form. TurboTax will automatically calculate how this income affects your overall tax return, including any self-employment tax you might owe. Once you've completed all the fields, review everything carefully to ensure all the information is correct. And that's it. You've successfully filled out your 1099 NEC in TurboTax, and your self-employment income is now properly reported. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.